Hello and welcome back to HardReset.info. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset via settings on LG G6. Let's begin! First, we want to navigate into settings. Then inside settings, you want to scroll here at the top and go to general. Inside general, you want to scroll all the way down. And then simply head into backup and reset. Now, we do have some nice ways for you to backup your data, but we're not really interested in those. Instead, we are here for factory data reset, which can be found right at the bottom. We click it, and we have a nice warning that we will remove few things. And by few, I mean every single thing. For example, all our user data, all applications, all images, videos, music, contacts, everything will be gone. So, let's hit reset phone. We are once again prompted if we are sure what we're doing. So let's go with delete all. And we have a nice warning that this will take some time. So let's hit reset. And now our phone should begin restarting itself and starting again and restarting. So I will just pause the recording now. See you later. We are a couple of minutes in and we have this screen which basically shows us that our phone is now installing a new Android. Actually, it's kind of reinstalling it, but basically speaking, we are now good to go and we should still wait for just a little bit. So I won't even have to pause the video now. The whole process took about 2 minutes, which is very short, and as you can see we are now back into setup screen, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.